Hi guys, welcome to another video. This is Chandu. You are watching Digital Chandu channel, and in previous video we have successfully completed. Here you can see how to create a new Facebook business manager account. We have successfully create a business Facebook business manager account, guys. But still we have not fill these forms, guys. Fill these sessions. We have to add a page, and next video we are going to add ad account, create ad account, and add people. We can assign roles and responsibilities, permissions to them. In today's video I am going to teach you these five topics. First one is create Facebook username for business page. Why? Because after then here you can see, after creating our Facebook business manager account, it will ask you add page, guys. Whenever you click on this particular button, it will ask you add page or a request page or else create a page. We already create a page for our business, so because the reason we don't want to use this particular option, and this is for access purpose, guys. If you want to access to run other business other page ads, at that time you go ahead and use this option. Now we already have a page, just we have to add this page into our business account. Now whenever click on it, it will ask you username, particular username of your particular URL of your Facebook page. So because the reason we have to add, we have to create Facebook username for business page, guys. And then next topic is how to grow Facebook page likes and engagements. Next topic. And third topic is I will share 3 tips to grow your Facebook page. And fourth one is choose CTA. CTA means a call to action for your page, which is suitable for you, which you where you can add, how can you add, everything I will show you in now this video. And final one, last but not least one, is add page to your Facebook page to your business account, guys. This is these five topics I am going to cover in this today's video. Don't skip the video, guys. If you skip the video, definitely you miss the some other topics here which we are going to teach you now. And let's jump into topic now. And first see here, you I am in now home Facebook home page. And I logged into my Facebook personal account. And simply I go to my page now. Click on it wherever your page appear, at that time click on it. And whenever click on it, it will show you like this. Here you can see create page username. Please click on it. After click on it, it will ask you please choose one username for your Facebook business page. I am going to give you one name here: digital marketing training YouTube. Sorry, it is not available. I am going to give you another name: 21 days digital marketing. Here you can see now this name is available. Now whenever you're creating a business username, at that time please give username with your whatever product or you are servicing. Use that particular name. At that time only you get organic visitors to your page also. This is one of your base benefit, guys. So please use this one. Don't use the like these symbols and this type of characters. Facebook won't accept those type of characters, guys. And now my username is available. Now after giving username, please create username. Click on it. Here you can see the username 21 days digital marketing has been created for digital marketing SMM means social media marketing. It's now easier for people to find page in search. People can also visit your page at fb.me 21 days digital marketing. This is the purpose, guys. So we have to create one unique name for your every business. Every Facebook business page have their own unique name, guys. This is the process. And after then click OK here. Whenever you click OK, here you can see, guys, we can we can get here one unique URL for our business page. Please simply copy this one, simply copy this one, and this is the process, guys. This is the process. We are going to create Facebook username for our business page. And the second topic is how to grow Facebook likes and engagement. And this is very complicated and very difficult in 2020 world, guys. Why? Because outside so many public and private pages out there by out there, guys. Every people have an idea whenever we join to this particular page, what's the use. Those people are think only one, what's the use of this page, why we are I want to join this page. See, you have a page, I want, why I want to join your page. Whenever you provide valuable content and valuable information, at that time only I will join to your page, right? See, whenever you publish content, at that time publish attractive and unique content to your audience, at that time only those people engage to your post. Whenever whenever you get more engagement, at that time you people get more likes and more visible in Facebook. Facebook is wider audience, guys. Whenever we get more engagement, at that time our post will be viral. At whenever we get viral, at that time we get more likes and followers to our page, or people visit to our page also. And next process is we simply invite here, guys. After creating your Facebook page, please simply click invite button to your friends. At that time you get more followers, more likes to your page. And another way is simply share this particular page into your timeline, to your personal timeline. At that time your you have 1000 to 200 friends in your personal account, it will appear to all your friends. Whenever those people watch your particular page, if they are interested, they are simply follow your page. This is the process we are going to improve and pay. This is the process we are going to simply improve page likes and engagement, guys. And fourth one is CTA. CTA means call to action for your page. How to add call to action means, this is after creating page, here you can see add button, guys. This is the call to action. Call to action means whatever action after visitor landing to your page, what they are whenever they are looking for something, whenever they are, if you are providing ebook, at that time those people are landing to your website where those people are getting ebook. At that time you simply add buttons to here, guys. You're based upon according to your business, according which button is suitable for you, you people consider and choose one of it. See, if your business is movies entertainment, at that time choose this one, guys. After then book now, whenever click on this book now, click next, it will ask you again some options which is suitable for you. If your business is another website, at that time simply click on this one and paste your website URL here. So my business is not this one, my business is education related, so because the reason I am going to choose this one. And in this one I am going to send my visitors through my messenger. At that time simply click on this one and click next, guys. At that time it will show you messenger. Whenever people enter, click on that button, those people are redirected to my messenger. And if you want to add a call button, at that time simply click on call. After then add your phone number here, select your country. I'm located in India, so because the reason India. And simply enter your phone number here. And I'm going to enter my number. After then click finish. After finishing your, here you can see we can get the call to action button to our business page, guys. This is the process we are going to add a call to action button for your business page. And next one is add business page to your Facebook business manager account, guys. So now already we discussed, simply copy this particular URL and go to your business page, guys. How you want to, how you go to this particular business page means, simply type business.facebook.com. After then click enter. After click entering, it will loading still now. After loading, it will show you like this, you redirected to this one. Now here it will ask you add page. Now click on this button. Whenever you newbie, at that time only these options it will show you. Whenever you are already created business account, already add, it will it won't show you, right? Show you, okay. And simply copy and paste it over here. And this is my page, guys. Here you can see, whenever I copy and paste my URL, it will show my page. And click on it and add page. Now here you can see, as you are already page admin on this page, your request here approved automatically. Why? Because I am the admin of this particular page. There is so because the reason I don't have to get confirmation mails to another people. Why? Because I am the admin for this particular page. Whenever you are not the admin for this particular page, you need access from other people who are already managing this particular page. After then click close, guys. Now here you can see, we have successfully added a page to Facebook business manager account. In pre Here you can see, guys, in before adding to business manager account page, here you can see no pages are available. After adding this particular, when it will show you, it show you here, okay. This is the process, guys. We are going to add Facebook business page to Facebook business manager account. And next thing is, next one I am going to, next video I am going to show you, I am going to explain you about create ad account, ad sets, and add people to manage your ad accounts. Now we just add page to your business account, guys. Next thing is, we are going to discuss everything about these three concepts. These three concepts is very important, guys. Don't miss this video. If you don't want to miss these videos, please subscribe to my channel and click bell icon beside subscribe button. And definitely you people get the notification whenever I publish next video, guys. And thanks for watching, guys. See you in next video. Bye bye.